So students, let us move on to the sixth chapter, which is trigonometry. Okay. So what is a trigonometry? Trigonometry, which comes from the Greek words trigon, that is trigonon, which means triangle, and metron means measure. Okay. It is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationships involving lengths of sides and measures of angles of triangles. So trigonometry, tri means three. So three lines joining, which is a triangle. So we'll see mostly about triangles in this lesson. Okay, that is what are the lengths of the sides, that is what is the length of the side of the triangle and the angle. Okay, so also we'll be introduced with a new topic of ratios of trigonometry. Okay, so let us see what are they. So you can see here that there are three basic ratios in trigonometry, each of which one side of a right angle triangle divided by another. Okay, so suppose this is ABC. This is a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, and we have angle given at A, which is 35 degree. Okay, so one is given 10.5 units. Then how can we find another one? Okay, we already know the we'll be studying Pythagoras theorem in the next year, but now we need to know how can we calculate the other side with given one angle and one side. Okay, how can we calculate? There is a method so called ratio. We'll use the ratio to find the sides measurement. Okay, what are the ratios? There are 6 different ratios given, so let us see one by one. So see, a table is given here. Name of the angle, that is short form, we'll say sine, S-I-N-E, sine. In short form it is known as S-I-N, sine. Then the co-angle of it. Co means partner, let us say partner. So the partner of sine is cosine. Okay, so co, we'll add a co because it is a co-angle and a partner, so we'll add co. Then this short form is cos. Then we'll have tangent, which is the friend of these two, let us keep. Okay, so sine is one ratio and cosine is its partner, and these two have a new friend called tangent. Okay, so then we'll have again three friends will be there. Let us see overall they. So how can we find the sine value? Sine theta. So theta is nothing but the angle. What is a given angle will be taken as theta. Okay. So sine theta is nothing but the ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. Then only we can use sine. Cos, that is cosine, means cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then what is tan? Tan is the, I told you tan is the friend of these two. So when we divide sine by cos, we'll get tan. That is opposite side by hypotenuse divided by adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that is short form opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse. So you will get reciprocal here. Then you will get opposite by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by adjacent, like that you will get. So hypotenuse gets cancelled, so you will get opposite by adjacent. So this is the ratio of tan theta. Okay, so we'll just derive, most of the time we just derive what is given in the question. Okay, so tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So இப்போ நமக்கு ஒரு question கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Example 6.1. For the measures in the figure, compute sine, cosine and tangent ratios of the angle theta. So angle theta வந்து இது. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு மூணு measurements கொடுத்தாச்சு. இதை வச்சு நீங்கள் sin theta, cos theta, tan theta என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி நமக்கு ரேஷியோ என்னன்னு தெரியும். sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So இந்த thetaக்கு oppositeல உள்ளது theta here. So இது வந்து hypotenuse. இதுக்கு வந்து ஒன்று சேஞ்ச் கிடையாது. பட் ஆங்கிள் வந்து இங்கே இருந்ததுன்னா theta வந்து இங்கே இருந்தால் இதுதான் அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட். Okay, so theta is here now. So this is the opposite and this is hypotenuse. So PR by RQ or QR. You'll take anything. Then 35 by 37. You'll just put the measures value. Okay. Then cos theta. Cos theta means we know the ratio which is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent means this is hypotenuse, so you will not touch it. So the other side, that is which is related to the theta angle. So these two lines are related to theta angle. One is hypotenuse, then the other should be the adjacent. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then PQ by QR. You will get 12 by 37. Then tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent, which is 35 by 12. Okay. Okay. Now let us see a different one. Basic trigonometric ratios we already know, which is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. We know the ratios opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse and opposite by adjacent. Okay, let us see the reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So first we will see cos theta, because in that only we will get secant, and the secant's co-angle, its its partner is cosecant. Okay, then we also have a partner of tan theta, which is cotangent. Okay, so sometimes the partners may change, but this is the ratios. Okay, cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite, that is the reciprocal of sin theta. Then secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cotangent theta, that is cot theta, this is represented by cot. Okay, that is here it is given. Secant means sec, cosecant means cosec, that's all. Okay, so short form we have wrote. So we are now having 6 types of ratios. We'll use to find the measures and the angle of the given right angle triangle. Okay, so I already told you cosec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of sin theta. Then the reciprocal can be written as cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Then sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. So these are the general observation we have found from this 6 ratios. Okay, so then again we have some more, which is sin theta into cosec theta will get 1, because see, cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Then let us see the sin theta, or else let us keep this sin theta as 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta into this one cosec theta, let us keep the same. So you know denominator and numerator, it is same, then you can cancel, which is equal to 1. So from here only we are taking this one. Then also the same way cos theta into sec theta is 1. Then also the same way tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So we are moving on to the exercise 6.1. Okay, from the given figure find all the trigonometric ratios of the angle B. So they are given this as theta. Angle B means they are telling us to keep the theta as B. Okay, B angle. Okay, from the given figure, so we have the measurements, all the 3 measurements are there, and we are going to find the trigonometric ratios. We already know what are the trigonometric ratios. The 6 ones are there, which is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So they are telling that angle B itself they have told, that is in the general formula we will say sin theta, but here we should say cos sin theta க்கு பதிலா நாம sin B அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், because இங்க angle B க்கு தான் நம்மள கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So sin B equal to 9 by 41. How did I say this? You already know this is hypotenuse by opposite by hypotenuse. This is adjacent by hypotenuse. Like that you already know the ratios. So with keeping that and see theta, that is the angle is here. Then opposite to this angle is this side. So 9 divided by hypotenuse you already know, which is nothing but this one 40. Sorry, the longest side will be considered as hypotenuse, which is 41. So opposite by hypotenuse. Like that you should write all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Then what is the second question? From the given figure find the values of sin B, sec B, cot B, cos C, tan C and cosec C. ஸோ இங்கே வரைக்கும் நாம் ஒரு ஆங்கிளோட ட்ரிக்னோமெட்ரிக் ரேஷியோ தான் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா இப்போ நமக்கு சீக்கெல்லாம் இங்கே மாறுது. ஸோ நத்திங் பட் இதை நம்ம தீட்டாவை வச்சுக்கிட்டா ஆன்சர் அதே மாதிரி தான் வரும். ஸோ let us see how to do this. So see, this is the triangle, okay, with having altitude d, okay. So first part is to find a sin b. So let us keep this as theta, and sin b is opposite by hypotenuse. You already know, okay. So what is the opposite? First of all, by Pythagoras theorem we can say AD equal to root of 13 square minus 5 square, which is nothing but 12. The answer will get 12. So D value we got, that is AD value we got 12. So this is the opposite of this angle, okay. So 12 by hypotenuse is 13. So put that. Then sec B. Sec means you already know the ratio. What is the ratio? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse is what? This one, 13. That is, we are writing that sec B is nothing but 1 by cos theta. First of all, you can write that, or else straight away you can write adjacent, hypotenuse by adjacent, okay. So hypotenuse is nothing but 13 and adjacent is nothing but theta. So this is hypotenuse. Then the other line related to this theta is only 5, that is BD. So we are writing 5, okay, 13 by 5. Then what is cot B they are asking? Cot B means 1 by tan B. Tan B is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, okay, that is sin B by cos B. What is here? So also we have another formula for tan B, which is nothing but you already know, sin B by cos B, you already know. So sin B, okay, we know that sin B is 12 by 13. 12 by 13 divided by cos B, okay. Cos B from here is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. So when we take it to the other side, 12 by 13 into 13 by 5 will get. So 13 cancel, will get 12 by 5. So tan theta is 12 by 5 and 1 by 12 by 5 means we will take reciprocal, which is 5 by 12, okay. Now we are going to see the cos C. So now we are going to take the theta as C, okay. So you already know when this that is this line measure is 12, that's all is given, okay. Also this line measure is given, that is CD is given 16. So by Pythagoras theorem you can use the formula AC equal to root of 12 square plus 16 square, so you will get 20, okay. So the answer is 20, here is 20, hypotenuse is 20. So cos C, cos means what? We already know what is cos. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent for this theta? This is hypotenuse and the other line is 16. So 16 by hypotenuse is 20, okay. So now we wrote 16 by 20. So we'll just simplify this and we'll write 4 by 5. The next one is tan C. Tan means you already know, sin by cos. That is, sin here is opposite by hypotenuse. So 12 by 20 divided by, we'll get now what we got. So I'll just straight away reciprocal it and I'll just cancel. So you will get what? 3 by 4 you will get. So you can see here 3 by 4, okay. So the third question is, if 2 into cos theta, so we'll pronounce it as 2 cos theta, but நம்ம எப்படி அதை புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா அங்கே 2 into cos theta அப்படின்னு தான் நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So 2 cos theta equal to root 3, then find all the trigonometric ratios of the angle theta. அப்படி ஒரு கொஷின் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான கொஷின், நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்ததை விட ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஸோ என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, இங்கேருந்து நம்ம என்ன கன்க்ளூஷன் கொண்டு வர முடியும்? 2 cos theta equal to root 3 அப்படின்னா இந்த cos theta மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு எப்பயும் ஒரு வேல்யூ தெரியணும்னா அது மட்டும்தான் அங்கே இருக்கணும், மிச்சத்தெல்லாம் அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போயிடணும். ஸோ இங்கே root 3 இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த 2 வந்து இங்கே மல்டிப்ளைல இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த சைடு வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆகும்? டிவிஷன் ஆகிடும் ஈக்குவல் டு கிராஸ் பண்ணும்போது. So we'll get, if 2 cos theta equal to root 3, cos theta equal to root 3 by 2, okay, by Pythagoras theorem, okay. So இதிலேருந்து இந்த root 3 by 2 கிடைச்சதுலேருந்து நாம் இந்த ரெண்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட் எழுதிடலாம். எப்படி? cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent value, theta ஓட adjacent value root 3 னு போட்டுட்டு கீழே உள்ள hypotenuse value 2 னு போட்டுட்டா வேலை முடிஞ்சது, okay. And also இந்த வேல்யூ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? Pythagoras theorem வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். So x equal to root of 2 square minus root of 3 square. அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Root of 4 minus 3 root 1 which is equal to 1. Root 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, you already know. Okay, so 1. So இதோட value என்ன? 1. Okay, so sin theta equal to 1 by 2. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அதுக்கப்புறம்? Find that all the trigonometric ratios அப்படி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So cos theta already நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு which is nothing but root 3 by 2. So மிச்சம் எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So sin theta என்னன்னா இது இந்த தீட்டாவுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்ல உள்ளது 1 by hypotenuse 2, and cos theta root 3 by 2. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta, illana opposite by adjacent, so 1 by root 3. Okay, this is 1. Then cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. What is there? You should just reciprocal. 1 by 2 means 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. We already know. Then what is sec theta? 1 by cos theta. So you will get root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. That's all. Then what is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. So you will get reciprocal of tan theta, which is nothing but 1 by root 3 means root 3. That's all. Root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3. Okay. So next one is the fourth question. If cos A equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. Okay. So one value is given, cos A is given. That is the A, theta will be taken as A angle will be taken as theta. Then cos A equal to 3 by 5 is given. Then you already know what is cos. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent will be taken as 3 and hypotenuse will be taken as 5. Then we can find the value of the unknown measure. So which is nothing but by Pythagoras theorem, x equal to root of 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9. So root of 16, which is nothing but 4. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of sin A, cos A and tan A, and then we'll put this in this equation and we'll find it. Okay. Sin A, how can we find? So we have found x value as 4. Then what is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. So which is 4 by 5. Tan A, you know what is tan A? Tan A means sin by cos. So which is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So 4 by 3. So we have found. So therefore sin A by minus cos A by 2 tan A means sin A value you should put 4 by 5 minus cos A value 3 by 5 divided by 2 into tan A value 4 by 3. So you will take LCM here. So same like terms only. So just subtract 4 minus 3 1 by 5. Then 2 into 4 by 3, keep it as such. So இதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா இது வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கலில் போகும்போது இது வந்து நார்மல் நியூமரேட்டரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ டினாமினேட்டரில் ஆகிடும். இது வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் 3 by 4 ஆகிடும். ஓகே. ஸோ நவ் what you will do, just multiply everything 3, and when you multiply these all you will get 40. அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு? இதோட வேல்யூ 3 by 40. That's all. Now let us see the fifth question. If cos A equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, then find the values of sin A and tan A in terms of x. Okay, so in solution, see, one value is given, again cos A is given, 2x by 1 plus x square. We have to find the sin A and tan A value. Okay, so how to do this? We'll first form a triangle. Okay, angle A as theta. That is the angle will be taken as A. So one ratio is given, cos A is given. Cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. We already know. So adjacent is 2x and hypotenuse is 1 plus x square. So just put on the corresponding places. After that what we will do means we're just going to find this OB first and then we'll find the value of x. Okay, it is very very easy. That is, you already know by Pythagoras theorem, we'll just say AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. That is 1 plus x square whole square equal to 2x square plus OB square. We don't know that OB quantity, so keep it as such as OB square. Okay. Now OB square equal to 1 plus x square the whole square minus 2x square, which is nothing but we'll just square this and you'll get 1 plus x square whole square is 6 power 4 and 2 in, that is 2AB means 2 into x square into 1, which is nothing but 2x square minus 2 square is 4 and x square is x square. Okay, so minus 4x square. So you will get what? 1 plus x power 4 minus 2x square. So இது எந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு அப்படினு பார்க்கணும். இது வந்து a square plus b square minus 2ab அந்த ஃபார்மேட்ல இருக்கு. அப்போ அதை நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம ஷார்ட் ஆகிறது அல்ஜிப்ராயிக் ஃபார்முலா அதாவது அந்த ஐடென்டிட்டிஸில் வரும் இல்லையா ஸோ அதில் வந்து 1 தட் இஸ் a மைனஸ் பி அதில் a மைனஸ் பி ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் தான் இதோட வேல்யூ வரும் ஸோ அதை நம்ம எப்படி எடுக்கிறதுனா 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் த ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணும்போது இந்த ஆன்சர் வரும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம அதை ரிவர்ஸ் ஃபார்மேட்டாக மாற்றிருக்கோம் ஸோ ஓபி என்ன ரூட் எடுக்கணும் அதாவது இந்த ரூட்டும் ஸ்கொயரும் இந்த ஸ்கொயர் கட் ஆகிடுச்சுன்னா ஓபி ஈக்குவல் டு 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ஓபியும் கிடச்சாச்சு 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஸோ இப்போ சைனே கண்டுபிடிச்சா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ஆப்போசிட் பை ஹைபோடென்யூஸ் அதாவது 1 மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் டிவைடட் பை 1 ப்ளஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் அது தென் tan a எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது opposite by adjacent அதாவது 1 minus x square by 2x okay so அவ்வளோதான் உங்களோட ஆன்சர்